What if everything we know about reality, the world, matter, and even our sense of self, is simply a simulation? Not in a Hollywood sci-fi sense, but in a deeply intricate, scientifically and philosophically grounded framework. This is the idea explored in the theory of reality as a virtual simulation. At its core, matter isn't what we think it is according to this perspective. Matter is fundamentally information. When we perceive the world, trees, people, or even ourselves, what we're interacting with is data interpreted by our consciousness. The colors, sounds, textures, and forms we experience are rendered by our senses and brain. But without this interpretation, there's no tangible matter, just raw information. So, what is consciousness? Consciousness is awareness, not just the ability to sense, but to choose. It's an information system, constantly gathering inputs, analyzing them, and interpreting them into meaningful experience assets, this act of interpretation that shapes our reality. Without consciousness, the world as we know it wouldn't exist. It would just be potential, unrealized, and unrendered. Now, let's talk about the simulation itself. In this theory, our universe operates within a larger consciousness system, an advanced computational structure. This system simulates our reality, setting rules that govern everything we experience, from the speed of light to the behavior of particles. Even the fundamental physical constants are precisely tuned to make life and the universe possible, not by chance, but through iterative design. Much like refining a complex simulation, Y is the speed of light constant. In this simulated framework, it's because the resolution of the virtual reality allows only a finite pixel-to-pixel movement over a given tick of time. This limitation, fundamental to the system, explains the constancy of light speed and the quantum behaviors physicists have struggled to understand. The double-slit experiment, a cornerstone of quantum physics, revealed something profound. The act of observation affects reality. Why? Because in this simulation, nothing exists until it's rendered by a consciousness. Reality doesn't exist out there independently. Instead, it's created in the minds of the observers. This explains why particles behave differently when observed. Their existence is tied to the interaction with a conscious observer. Now let's look at the larger consciousness system. The ultimate computer. This system isn't physical. It's an infinite, non-material entity that generates our reality to evolve itself. Our individual consciousnesses are like players in a multiplayer game. Each of us, as individuated units of consciousness, logs into the simulation to make choices and interact. These choices help the larger system grow and evolve by reducing entropy or disorder. Within the system, reducing entropy is key. It means creating order, meaning, and coherence, and the best way to achieve this cooperation, compassion, and love. In this framework, love isn't just a feel-good concept. It's the most efficient and effective state of a low-entropy, high-functioning consciousness. It's why systems thrive when cooperation replaces conflict. This simulation doesn't render everything all at once. Instead, it calculates only what's needed, moment by moment, based on probabilities. For example, if a cannonball is fired, the simulation doesn't compute every particle in the cannon. Instead, it uses probabilities to determine where the cannonball will land, conserving computational resources while maintaining consistency. Even our perception of time is part of the simulation. Time is a series of ticks, delta t's, allowing the system to calculate changes and render the next frame of reality. It's like a movie projector running frame by frame, but at an unfathomably high resolution. The purpose of this simulation goes beyond mere existence. It's about growth, for us as individuals and for the larger consciousness system. Through our experiences, challenges, and choices, we contribute to the evolution of consciousness itself. We learn, adapt, and strive for a state of being that's more connected, compassionate, and aware. This perspective not only reshapes how we see the universe, but also gives profound answers to age-old questions. Who are we? Why are we here? And what is the nature of reality? If this theory resonates, it might just open a doorway to a new understanding of our place in the cosmos. If you enjoyed this exploration into the mysteries of reality, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Collective Consciousness Conspiracies, and turn on notifications so you never miss an intriguing video. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue to unravel the mysteries of existence together. Thank you for watching.